And here they are. Doug and Poppy playing together. Poppy doesn't have the speed she used to have anymore. But she's a lot bigger.
Poppy's like, get it off me! Get it off me!
In her prime, man.
Woolly booger.
Last time she played hard with my cousin's dog. And man, she tried to keep up. That dog was just too quick. Oh, you done, bud? No, he still wants to play. I was like, there's so much.
So interesting, sir. I'm not sure if Poppy's playing or defending herself.
Oh, she's having a good time, but she will eventually run out of steam. She's just old now.
Yeah, he could go for weeks.
Yeah.
Most puppies can. It's like trying to escape.
You just put like that sauce on it? Like barbecue sauce on it? It's a good red sauce.
I don't even put barbecue sauce in the original.
Alright. There's some sort of sauce on it.
Well, I used to do, yeah, with the Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah.
I used to do the sweet baked rice at the blaze. I got tired of getting it all over.
But enough of that.
Yeah. I like my favorite.
Totally missed it. So we're at the bowling alley for once a month bowling. We may or may not be a little tipsy. Oh yeah. Tiffany bought me a drink. Water. And they've been there like 5 times. Yes! I know them boys. Tiffany bought me a drink. Nate bought me a shot. Tiffany bought me 2 drinks.
Stop.
But
Very nice. Very nice.
after the first shot and the first drink, I was already just totally fallen off the edge. But Tiffany bought me a second drink. Oops! And so, Nate's driving.
Yep. First time driving Kelly's car.
Yep.
Should be fun.
Yeah. This is what we're doing. This is who we're with. All these people here. Oh, big old group. 18 of us. 19 of us? 18, 19 of us. There's some dancing. Got the dancing on the... Yeah. He doesn't move. And that is a oh, that's okay. We are just bowling away, and it's your turn. Nathan is just taking it away. Look at this, guys.
45.
Nathan has 45.
That's pretty sad.
His close second is Josh. And then I am up at the top, I think, with 38. That's Tiffany up at the top. We can't I'm at 34. But Tiffany's at 34. Kelly's better than I am. So, but we're having a grand old time. Here's Dorothy. She's in a bowl.
A Jumbo, 3 fire nice shots, a glass of beer, and water.
Yeah. And Justin. And he's feeling absolutely fine, whereas I am,
Bowl that ball all the way down into the gutter!
And that is Justin. We are with a fun group tonight. Everybody is just having a grand old time. Is Josh even having fun?
Yeah,
Josh is having fun?
You can't bowl now. What did you have? You had electric smurf, you had a Jager bomber, is that it? And a shot of fire nice. Yeah, buddy.
So, all sorts of fun happening.
I got a stare.
Tiffany, what just happened?
I got a stare because I'm that good. Even though I'm last place, it's fine. I'm over it.
She hit 9 pins pins. And then she managed to get the last pin.
Superstar.
Oh yeah. Those drinks helped. Now we gotta watch Nate bowl. He's a good bowler most of the time, some of the time. Look at that form. Woo. Oh man. He done just took out like 6 pins. Here he goes again for his second shot. Will he hit the pin? He will hit 1 pin. That was a good one, I think. Now Josh is turn. What?
You take a picture of your feet, did you?
Of the pizza? Oh, I don't think I can. No. So Josh is in a bowl. He is usually like running away with the game at this point. It looks like he might just be trying to catch up. And I think from here on out, he's just gonna run away with this game. Yep, there he goes, picking up the last pins. Got his spare.
Yep.
So now you're gonna run away with the game, correct?
Is that what?
You're gonna run away with the games now.
Yeah, maybe.
So this is where we are.
Darn. So Kelly, she hit a couple pins down. That's exciting. We are at River Lanes, Riverside Lanes. Oh yeah. That doesn't look very good.
I didn't hit enough pins. I only hit 4.
4, huh?
4 pins.
Hi, baby dog.
Good boy.
Yeah. That's good. You find that out. Don't go
Oh.
yeah, now. You gotta hide it.
Let's
better
get those
than
chairs
that. So
drying.
You put it behind it. You gotta
Dry them chairs out.
hide it.
You put your butt in it. You put your butt in it. You put your butt in it.
That was close.
And then I'll put my butt in it.
But if it do catch, you gotta admit.
Is it working?
Put your butt. Yeah, that'll work.
Good night, Chloe.
Back it up now.
Cheers.
Okay.
I think you're gonna want to let them dry out before you sit down. They'll dry pretty quick by the fire. Oh yeah.
They're a little wet. It's we'll bring some chairs out from inside. It's totally fine. I'm gonna sit on it.
Stand around the fire.
Oh, yeah, you talking about that. You gotta be like, yeah. Boom, boom,
So
boom.
how is it not
Boom,
getting
done.
that piece of paper in the middle?
I know. It was wet.
Oh, there you go. That makes sense. That's fine. Look,
It was so wet.
These smell wonderful.
Oh, that's good.
And there's an invisible.
Jonathan, move.
Move down.
Jonathan, move.
This one won't
Ah,
dry
jeez.
anywhere tonight.
That's close to the fire. I mean, that's really close, right?
Guess to dry them off.
They'll dry pretty
That's how
quick.
close we gotta sit, y'all.
Yeah. Might get a little bit burned, but hey, it
You might
works.
get singed. Don't worry about it.
You'll lose some facial hair.
You need to trim them anyways, right? You got this.
Throw
Oh,
it in there.
almost.
Throw it in there, Jonah.
Beautiful job. Look, it is now caught on fire.
Good job,
It
buddy.
is. It is. Look at that.
What's this?
They're soaking wet.
Did them.
Ooh.
Andy, you need to get more. Just kidding. We need it to go. Burn, baby, burn.
That's a beautiful fire.
Don't cook anything over it, though.
Don't kick yourself over it.
Or food, for that matter. It's not going to be sanitary.
Look at that fire.
No, No, we just might be poisoned a little. It's fine. Whoa.
One of these and tarps all the way around.
They're so cute.
And then the inner headlights, which are the inner 54-inch curved light.
Look over here.
Are we even gonna bowl today?
Yes. We.
Well, last week.
Fire, huh? I know.
Not my hair, my blanket.
I need to see what happened last night.
Kick back and enjoy some of the pictures we took on our 4th day in Idaho. Pictures with friends, pictures with bowling, and of course, we had to do a bonfire. Music provided by royalty-free music. The song is Ramol, Positive Thinking.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos.
Hit that subscribe button.
Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're putting out.
Hit that subscribe button.
What about comments?
Comments and questions. Questions and comments are always welcome.
And make sure to check out Nate's other channel, Umbra Shadow Gaming.
Pretty much all the stuff's over there now.
Yeah.
All the game videos.
So you post over there every
Every
Thursday and Saturday?
Every Thursday and Saturday.
Thursday
and maybe
and
an extra
Saturday.
bonus episode sometimes, depending on my mood.
Yeah. Thursday and Saturday, Umbra Shadow Gaming for video game videos. And every Tuesday right here on this channel
The Salyers.
for our vlogs.
Yeah.
Some, hoping for some pretty exciting stuff coming up, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Hoping for some exciting stuff coming up.
Do you
Hear that? Adventure's
Adventure's
calling.